watch these. Man, I'm 615. Man, I'm 615. Man, I'm 615.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all doing good today. I'm doing great. You want to know why? Because we got a new toy. What did we get? We got the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo 3D printer. So we about to unbox this joker and set it up and see what it can do. Be right back. Okay, so let's get this bad boy open and see what's inside. Let's see. So, I would say this is like a spur of the moment purchase, but it's not. Because my friend Josie, the Best Uni, she got one. She's been doing videos on her channel. Go check her out. I will leave a link in the description because she does awesome content and she's an awesome person. So, let's see. Slide it around a little bit so y'all can see. Now, okay. First we have the, I think it's a printing plate. I'm not sure. Can't remember. And then this comes off. Listen, this sucker is packed in here tight. Ain't nothing moving. Nowhere. We got user manual right here. And quick start guide right here. And this is all your screws and accessories and a little bit of filament, I guess, so you can do a test print. And then we have the top part. From what I can tell from all the videos I watched a bunch of videos. Because sometimes I have a hard time trying to decide what I'm going to get. So, for a couple of days, I kind of binge watched a bunch of videos, like comparisons and recommendations, and then just seeing the actual machine in use and stuff. So this is the filament arm, power cord. This is the other piece that goes to the filament holder arm. So it's not a lot of pieces, so that's a good thing. Which means you can kind of get it set up relatively quickly. Okay, so now we have stuff is moving. Hold on. This is the bottom part that holds the plate. Whoops, almost dropped it. Listen, I almost messed up the church's money. Got to be more careful. So, okay. I don't know if y'all could tell, but my hair is getting in the way. Let me finish taking the stuff out of the box, then I'm gonna lasso this stuff up and get it out the way. This is the actual nozzle that the filament comes out of. So, yeah. So it looks like it's very little assembly required, which is always good. And then here is the control screen. I think it goes this way. It's a little control screen. It's cute. Anyway, let me lasso this hair up and get this thing put together, and we will be back in a second. Okay, let me show y'all what comes in the bag. It's a little bitty micro SD card and 2 little wrenches and these wrenches look like wire clamps. And screws, filament, another nozzle, spare, I guess. I don't know what this is. Looks like a needle or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out in a minute. And then a bunch of zip ties. And USB drive. So, let me get everything set up. I got everything out over there. So, let me get it put together and I will be right back. Okay, y'all. I got it all set up. I thought I was recording, but I was not. There it is. This is the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo. Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo. Now, once you get it set up, go to your screen, go to your settings, and then go to auto level so it can do that. And then it's going to take you to a different screen where it's going to kind of go through a couple of different steps. Let me see if I can find it in the book so I can show you. Right here. These steps here. After the auto level, it goes through these little steps. And then it tells you to load your filament. This is the filament that came with it. You take it and run it through this tube. And when you get here, it's a lever right here. You got to pull that lever back to push the filament all the way down so it can connect to the nozzle. And then go to filament. Wait, go down to, let's see. Anyway, you see it. Go down to filament, then go down to extrude, and then hit OK. Nozzle heating, please wait. So now we gotta wait. Be back. After it's done, going through everything on here, then the instructions say to print. So now we are in business. Like A-Dub says, now we cooking with gas. I'll be back when it's done. Okay, y'all, I am done. Took 19 minutes and 9 seconds for my first test print. It's a spider. Ooh, it's a little warm. Let's figure out how to get it off. Now, hold on. Okay, got it off. Just a little spider. Some webbing right there. That's an easy cleanup. Okay. I am happy with my first print. And again, I have the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo. Bought it on Amazon only because it was cheaper than the price on the website. Got it in 2 days and it was under 200 bucks. Okay, y'all, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. See you later. Deuces, apple juices.